how we can use different string functions in Excel. We will see how we can use concatenate, length, substitute and left, right and mid. So if you want more videos like this, you can subscribe the channel and you can press the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification in your email. Thank you. Now we will see the concatenate function. Okay, so here as you can see we have first name, middle name and the last name. Let me delete this result. First name, last name, middle name and the last name. So here we need full name, which will include first name, middle name and last name. So what we will do, we will start with a equal, because each and every formula start with a equal in Excel, and we will write concatenate. Concatenate is a function. Then we will start a bracket and then we will select the first name, then comma, there should be a space between first name and the middle name, then comma, and then the middle name, and then again comma, then space, then again comma for the last name. We will select the last name and we will close the bracket and we will press enter. Now you can see it has given you the full name with space in between all the first name, middle name and the last name. Now you can drag it like this. As you can see at the bottom row there is no middle name, but still the result is correct. So in this way you can use the function concatenate. Now the next function is length. To check, let's say for to show length function, I have created this table in which I have taken the name, I have taken the phone number. Let me say we have to count the number of digits in the phone number. For that we will click in the cell, we will put equal to start the formula and then len. Len is the function for length. Then we will select the text and we will press enter. So it's a 10-digit number, so it's shown as 10, but here it is 11-digit number, so it's showing us 11. For the sake of utility, whether the number is valid or not, valid phone number or not, so what we can do, we can check it using if, right? And then we can put a logical test whether this cell is equal to 10, then the number is valid, else it will be invalid, and we will close the bracket, and here it showed us that the number is valid, and when we will double click it, it will show it as an invalid number because it's a 11-digit number. So in this way the length function works. Now the next function is substitute. To understand substitute, here I have created a table with name and the substituted name, right? So here we have few names with starting with doctor and few names starting with engineer, but we have to replace this D with E, or maybe with this all this E with D, but let me replace this D with E because all the people are engineer here. By mistake somebody has put their profession as DR. Okay, so let me click at the cell, start with equal, substitute, and then opening bracket, then we will put the text, then we have to put the old text. So what is the old text? In double quotes we will put D and then the character or the word which we want to replace, so it will be start with double quotes, and we will put E here, and then it will ask for instance, means at how many occurrence we have to change that D to E. means at the first occurrence we have to change this, at the second or the third. So we have to change it at the first occurrence, and the other thing is only at the first place this D and E are present. So we will put here 1 and then we will press enter. Now this Dr. Virendra Kumar has changed into Er Virendra Kumar, right? Now we will click here. Now each and every Dr. has changed to Er. So in this way we can use the substitute formula. Now the next formula is left, right and mid. Okay, so here we to understand these formula, I have created a table in which we have name and phone number. Okay, so in mid, if we are using a mid function, let's say we have this contact number and we want to remove this 91 and this hyphen, and we just need 10-digit mobile number. Okay, so we will take the text and we will take the start number and the number of characters. So 1, 2, 3 and 4th. From the fourth digit our phone number is starting out, and we need total 10 digits. From the fourth space, actually 1, 2, 3 and 4, from the fourth space our actual data is starting out, and we need total of 10 data including that. So we will put enter and we will get the exact 10 numbers. When we will click at the cross sign, double click, then we will get all the phone numbers, only the 10 digits, right? Not the 91. For the left, let's say how we can achieve that using the right function. Okay, so equal right, and then we will choose this, and then from the right how many digits, we need 10 digits, and we will click enter, and then again we got all the correct 10 numbers, removing 91 and hyphen. But using left we can't achieve that, but we can get the number of characters which we want from the left side. Left, then we will select the text, and then we will select the number 10 numbers and enter. So here we can't remove 91 hyphen, but we can get the 10 digits from the left. Today I will show you how we can use index and match in this kind of a table, in which we have the salesperson names and the